So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how you can attack on a website using Kali Linux tools. So inside Kali Linux we have a very popular tool available, and the tool name is SQL Map. The use of the SQL Map tool is to attack on the website and to attack on the database of the website and grab sensitive information from there, right? And SQL Map can perform SQL injection in the websites. So let me show you where is SQL Map and how we can use it. So if you click on applications, and if you select database assessment, and then you will see the tool is available right here. The tool name is SQL Map, one of the most popular tools available in Kali Linux for performing SQL injection inside websites, right? So click on that and open it. It is a command line tool, and it has commands available inside it, and that we are going to use in this video. So we need to use this inside terminal. It is not a GUI tool, right? So this is called SQL Map, right? And you can see it is written inside Python, and these all are the options available here. So without any further delay, let me clear this. First of all, type clear, and we are going to perform SQL injection attack on a live website. And why we are performing on a live website? So that you can get more information about SQL injection. And what kind of live website we are using? We are going to use a sample website, and on that sample website we can perform SQL injection legally, right? So we are not doing any illegal things. So which website we are going to use? Let me show you. So open the browser of Kali Linux, and on the website, on the Google, you can type the website vulnweb.com. So this is a sample website, and it is provided by Acunetics company, and you can perform testing on this website. So this is the website vulnweb.com. So click on the link. Here it is. So this is these four are the sample websites that you can perform. So as we are attacking on MySQL database, so I'm going to use the second one, which is testphp.vulnweb.com. So click on that and open it. So this is the website, and we will try to get information about the username and password of the admin panel of this website. So if you see on the left hand side of this website, you will see sign up button here, right? So if you click here, then there is a login page, and our work is to find out the username and password of this login page by using SQL injection, right? So this is a sample website provided by Acunetics, and you guys can use this for testing purpose. So let me go back to the home page. Here it is. Now the first thing to perform SQL injection is to find the link of the page of the website. So we need a link of any page of the website, right? Which will be like ID equals to 1, page equals to 1, something like that, right? So to get that information, you can see there is an artist button here, right? So click on that artist button, and when you come down, these three links are available. So you can click on the first one. You can also click on second or third, depends on you. So click on the first one. All right, so this is the link which we got from the website. So this kind of link actually we need to perform SQL injection in the websites. So testphp.vulnweb.com/artists.php ?artist = 1. So first of all, we will copy this link from here, and we will use this link inside SQL Map tool. So we will find out database, then tables, then columns, and then finally that sensitive data from the website. So let's do this. Let me copy this link. So Control C for copy, minimize this website, and we are back again on the terminal of Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, we will gather information about the databases available in the websites. So the command is quite simple. The command is, let me tell you what is the command. So to gather information about database, you can type SQL map -u space -u. -u means you need to provide the URL or the host here. So we have copied the URL from in the browser, and we need to paste here. So right click and paste here, space, what you are going to find? We are going to find databases. So you need to type DBS, dash DBS means databases, and hit enter. So it is saying that option dash D is incompatible with option dash U. So I need to check where is the problem inside the link. Alright, so do one thing, we have done a mistake. So click on the up arrow of your keyboard to get the command again, and you need to type dash dash DBS, not a single dash, you need to type double dash. I mistakenly forgot that, and you just need to put a double dash before D and hit enter now, and now you can wait. So now SQL map will start processing, and so you can see here that it is saying that it looks like that backend DBMS is MySQL. Do you want to skip test payloads? So yes, we want to skip it because it has already found what kind of database it is. So let me type Y and hit enter. For the remaining tests, do you want to include all tests? Absolutely. Why? So type Y, yes, and hit enter. Now it will try to insert as many queries as possible in the website to find out the real databases available in the website. So you guys just need to wait here and until it basically search for the right query that can provide you the database name. So now you can see here it is showing that get parameter artist is vulnerable. Do you want to keep testing the others? So no, because if one parameter is vulnerable, we don't need to test others. We just need a single parameter. So you can type no means n and hit enter. So here you can see that we have successfully found the database of the website, and we have two databases. One is accurate and one is information underscore schema. So generally we ignore information underscore schema because it is generally inbuilt. So we are going to choose accurate database, and now we will find the number of tables inside that database. So to get number of tables inside that database, we need to type the command again. So what kind of command we can use here? For the tables. So do one thing, again get the command by click on the up arrow of your keyboard, right? Now we need to edit it. So you can just remove DBS. Now you can type dash capital D space, and now you need to provide this database name here. So database name is accurate space. What we are finding? Tables. So you can type dash dash tables and hit enter. Now it will find the tables inside that database. Here we go. So you can see here that we got the 8 tables inside accurate database. Yeah, you can see here these 8 tables are here, and you can see here that artist available, pictures if you want to see pictures, if you want to see products, users. In my opinion, users table will contain username and password. This is just hit and trial, right? So I will choose this table name, and my next task is to find out the column names in this website. So again, click on the up arrow of your keyboard to get the commands. Now remove dash dash tables. Now single dash after that capital T space. You need to provide here the table name. So I'm picking table name here, users, right? So let me type users space. What we are finding? Columns. COLUMNS dash dash COLUMNS. So it's quite simple. Dash D accurate space dash T space users space dash dash columns to get the column names inside that table, and hit enter and wait. So here we go, that we got the 8 columns. You can see here that first of all we got the accurate database. Inside that we picked the users table name, and inside users table name you can see there are 8 columns inside it, right? These are 8 columns. So now our task is to gather information about the username and the password of the admin panel. So we are in the database of the website. We have hacked it. So I think username is uname here, and the password is PAWS. Right, so first of all I will find uname means username of the website, then we will find the password. So again click on the up arrow of your keyboard. Now remove it single dash capital C space. So what we are finding here? Uname. So you can type uname here, space dash dash dump. Dash dash dump is basically to gather sensitive information from that particular column name. So that's why SQL uses dump to gather information, and hit enter. Now it is trying to find information about that username, which is really sensitive information for the website. Just need to keep patience. Here we go. So you can see here that uname is actually test. So the username of the admin panel of the website is test. Similarly, we will find out the pass. So up arrow, and you just need to replace uname with pass, P-A-S-S, and hit enter. Now it is trying to find the password of the control panel of the website. These two information is really critical, username and password, because using that information we can get into their database and update that. So you can see here that we also got the password. So username is test and the password is test. So you can see here that username we got is test and the password is also test. So test is the username and password. That's great. You can also gather other information, but my goal was to gather username and password, so I got that. Now we got the username and password, and let's try if it works or not in the admin panel of the website. So open this website in the browser, right, and go back to the sign up page on the left hand side. Click here, and now in the username and password, type the username and the password you got. So the username test and the password is also test you got, right? And I already told you we are working on a sample website. This is for a testing purpose, and click login. So you can see here that now you are inside the web page, inside the admin panel of the website, and you can see here this is the logout button. It means you have successfully logged in the website of the, basically it is a sample website, and we have successfully tested it. We found it is an SQL injection vulnerability, and basically we have successfully used SQL map to attack on this. You can also update the information if you want. For example, if I change the name, this is my name, so I change it to mine, and you can click on update button to update the database information, right? You can click logout again and log in again to check that your changes are there or not. So again you can type test, and you can click login again. And here you can see that I have successfully updated their database, and I have put my name inside it, and it is permanent change inside that database. So that's a good sign, and you have seen that by using SQL map you have successfully gathered information about their database, which is sensitive information. So I suggest you don't try this on any other websites without any permission of the owner. Right? So if you perform this kind of attack on any website without any permission, so it will be considered as illegal work. So that's why just for your security, I'm just warning you that don't try this on any website without any permission. Alright, so that's all about SQL map, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I will come back in the next video.